little muscle here at Unique Specialty and Classics, and always a popular body style, no doubt about that. It's 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS two-door hardtop, real SS 138 car, so beginning of the VIN 138, or on the model number on the data tag too, we'll start with 138, real SS. Underneath the hood, 454 big block power now, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the chrome on that front bumper, bright work, grille, headlight bezels. Great color on this car. It's kind of a copper metallic, and this paint, it shows well, as good in person as it does in this video and or the pictures. Speaking of pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Be close to 100 pictures online of this car. Undersides, take a look at those. Very clean. Interior, engine bay, trunk. Krager SS, chrome wheels. Cooper Cobra radial tires. Take a look down this passenger side, and you can see these long panels, nice and straight. And again, that paint put on very nicely. Really not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Boy, you might find an imperfection here or there, but they are few and far in between, I can guarantee you that. Black vinyl interior, bucket seat, center console, and this is something that's nice. Over the shoulder, seat belt and lap belt built into one. Nicely done. Some tasteful things were done when this car is restored. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let's hear it run. Take a little closer look at that interior. You can see black vinyl top also shows well. Power antenna. Retro sound style radio, and that is working. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Now you do see some of the SS 396 badging, not representing as the numbers matching, but it is a true SS 454 power now. And once again, take a look at that paint. Practically looks like it's wet. A few notes from the technician on this one. The AC compressor does kick on and off. Did not blow real cold. Edelbrock 4-barrel, aluminum radiator, HEI ignition, some of the things we're going to see underneath the hood. Speedo reads a little bit fast, about 5 miles an hour, he stated. Wipers do work, brakes are 80% in the front and the rear. Says it's got a slight pull to the left, very manageable. A couple things he noted, pitman arm slightly loose, and it could use a couple bushings, control arm bushing and sway bar link bushings. If you like Chevelles, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And up and down this driver's side, you can also see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint shows well. And once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through all of them. That's why they're there, every angle, inside and out, top to bottom. Door panel looking nice. Vinyl seats, really free of any major rips, holes, wear. Headliner, good shape. Give it a couple pumps. Fire that big block up. Aftermarket tack working right there. We have over here temp gauge, oil pressure, fuel gauge over here, battery. Those appear to all be working. Mentioned that stereo. And I played around with that. There we go.
United Team Elite has you covered.
Stereo working. Top of the dash. Looks good. Nice throttle response. Door closes nicely. I mentioned power antenna works. Went up when we turned the radio on. Let's listen. All right, let's slip up to the front. We'll get this hood open, check out the engine bay, and then like I said, Jason's gonna take it for a drive. Stick around to the very end of this video. He'll show you how it goes down the road. Good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Again, aluminum radiator, Edelbrock 4-barrel, like an Edelbrock Performer. Intake manifold, HEI, ignition, power steering, power brakes, AC. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Some chrome work in there with the valve cover gaskets, air cleaner cover. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay also. Good looking car, 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 2-door hardtop. Real deal SS. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through all those still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom.
One of 114.
And beyond. New episodes every week. Only on Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very nice 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle in a beautiful copper color, wood grain steering wheel, inside black and kind of a beige. Very nice combo. Excellent running car. Runs and sounds as good as it looks. Feels very restored in my opinion. You got nice tight steering. Very good acceleration. There's a tachometer mounted on the left side of the dash. And very cool because it's mounted in front of the left blinker indicator. It has its own left blinker indicator built into it. Just the thoughtful things like that. Digital radio in the dash works well. The blower motor working on the HVAC. Speedometer appears to be accurate. We have all our gauges. The oil pressure 3/4 of the way up, temperature 1/3 of the way up. And over on the left, the battery is right in the middle of the gauge, and the fuel gauge reads 3/4 of a tank. On the center console, a clock, and it is counting the seconds. Functional clock on that center console between two bucket seats. This is an automatic shifted on that console. We also have storage in the console. Very nice color scheme in this car and very well maintained condition. Brakes nice and smooth. Power steering working well. Let's hit that throttle again after this corner. And by the way, corners very nicely as well. Let's see what she sounds like. Very strong acceleration, nice throaty rumble. Fun to drive. 67 Chevrolet Chevelle. Find all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.